Why do I do this to myself? I'm at Yesteryear in Hanover. I have well under an hour, but I was passing by on my way home and I thought to myself, why not? So let's go check it out. So as soon as I walked in the door, check out these freaking ornaments. I have been hoarding ornaments for Christmas coming up. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, Donald Duck. Oh, I love this little flocked one. It's missing it's missing an arm there. All right, let me not get too crazy. Look at her. Oh, how cute. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab Donald. I like Donald. This one's cute, but I think these are the two winners. We'll take these for the ornament sale in December. I know that's a long way away, but like I say, never too early to be prepared. One of my favorite vendors ever. All right, well, it hasn't been that long since I've been here, low-key. I just didn't film the last couple times I was there. That ornament is cute. I actually picked up one of those already. Maybe I should grab both since I have the Christmas sale and then it's Christmas time. Let's see, little Limoges mirror. I just had one of those too. I don't want to get too repetitive. I'm just kind of trying to see what they restocked with. I was here last week with my friend Lisa and we did some damage here. All right, 30% off everything. There wasn't anything much too different in the case since last week. Literally like 7 days ago. But looks like this area might have been rearranged a little bit. Ah, oh my gosh, the sticker fell off. There we go. Ah, this is a cool butter dish. $12 and 30%. I wonder if it's chipped. I love this spiky glass. Now, a viewer is the one who told me if it was the spikier, the earlier it is. $12 and 30%. That seems like a really good price. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Look at this cute little Christmas oil lamp. That's adorable. Oh, home decor. Oh, it's plastic. We love plastic. Or I love plastic, I should say. $5 and 30% off. Well, I'll take that for the Christmas sale. Last week I found a bunch of stuff in this holiday booth too. I got some really cool old Christmas stencils. The ones I got were Howdy Doody. Look at this adorable. Sorry, just got a text message. I forgot to turn my phone on silent. Fisher Price. I'm also looking at the Ohio Art top. $14.50. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little skunk? $22. A personality pet. This booth's running 20%. That's a really pretty carnival glass vase. It's tall. What was I doing? I just totally lost my train of thought. Cranberry. The glass baskets don't sell well for me, honestly, but sometimes I still pick them up if the price is right. You know what? I'm just remembering I left that glass basket at Lemoyne and the Bell at the Fenton one. Kind of bummed about that. Here's another milk glass hobnail. I just had one of those, but sometimes these are really cheap. $11 and 20% off. That's a little bit more than I'd like to pay considering I literally just had one. Look at this. That is really pretty. Westmoreland blue satin. It's a really nice color. I can't believe this other candlestick is still here. I bought the other one and it was not matching. It was like the craziest lime and yellow. And when I got it home, it glowed like crazy. That one's $15 and I think they still have 20%. I haven't sold my other one yet. Ooh, Wedgwood mushroom. Interesting. It's kind of cool. I love mushrooms. I saw this one that was like red and white on Whatnot earlier today. I was watching someone's sale and I feel like it brainwashed me. Now I really want like a big red and white glass mushroom. This is really pretty too. Like the colors on that. This booth looks like it's switched up a little bit in the past week. That's the thing. I love the turnover at this place. Dude, this is awesome. And it's Italian. What's this cat situation over here? How fun. Yeah, so 20% off everything. I really like this one. It's got some serious weight to it. I just remembered I never unpacked that crazy cat mirror I got from this booth. I still think this is the prettiest thing ever. 35 and 20%. I still think it might be a little close, although the longer I see it here, the more tempted I am to rescue it. So I'm admittedly not the biggest Lennox person. However, I can't not notice Rudolph. $20. I don't know enough about that. I think that might be a little close for me. I'm not trying to have that much invested in a piece of Lennox, although he's pretty fantastic. Good grief. Even more die cuts. I got a bunch of die cuts last time I was here. Some really awesome ones. Oh, I love that. I've been going hard on the die cuts. Whoa. This is kind of cool, even though it's missing its top. I like the color. $6. It's got some paint on it still, though. Wait a minute. I feel like this wasn't like this when I was here last. Or maybe I just didn't notice because I was so focused on all the die cuts I was buying. That bird is $7, dude. I think we're gonna have to rescue that. I like that blue satin. It does say $7, right? Blue Fenton bird, $7 sold. Yes, please, I should say. What about this? Dude, what? Oh, I thought it was a perfume bottle. It's a Bell. Still, that's a really good price at $10. Not really my style, though. Now, what's happening back here? She is beautiful. Wait a minute. Does it say $35 or $3.50? Madonna bust with jewels, $3.50. Well, I have to pick that up on principle. That's amazing. My basket's getting a little sketch. I might have to do an offload here. What else is down here? Is that soapstone? Or not so, what am I even talking about? Yeah, soapstone, I'm not wrong. $4? Dude, it's kind of cool. What is it, an incense holder? Yeah. You know what, I'm kind of getting out there, but I'm just going with it. For $4, I kind of can't leave this here. It's got all these elephants on it. This is kind of cool too. Cake breaker. Look at that handle. It almost looks like it could be Bakelite. It's $3. It's in the original packaging. The packaging graphic is everything. For $3, I'm just gonna get it. At second glance, there's a lot going on in this booth. Love this. $3 pink plastic pig. That's adorable. I always forget. I've had one of those before. I can't remember. Wait, look at this. Play School Hourglass. That's freaking cool. I need to look up comps on that. But this block set has my full-blown attention now. Oh my gosh. I thought it was like one of those ones that collapsed. Spoiler alert, it's not. What about this ruffled edge? Rose Bowl, that's really pretty. That's at $9. It's white, but still. White doesn't always usually sell that well for me, but it's just, oh, this is cool. The prices in this booth are insane. Look at this giant Italian box. $6. You know what? I kind of feel like for $9, I'm gonna go with it. I think that's really pretty. And all of a sudden, I have 15 minutes. Green glass vase. Did I look at this before and there was something wrong with it? It's got a little nick at the top. Still, that's really pretty. Giant reindeer blow mold, check. Well, I do think we have to look at this box. What's happening in here? Oh my gosh, how funny. They've seen better days, but the box itself is adorable. I have to know how much this little snowman is. This is so sweet. Of course, I also have a snowman sale coming up. Love that it's plastic too. What about this Christmas girl? Left in 24. That's a good one. Christmas, Christmas everywhere. Look at this, like a little Italian Christmas tree dish. It's like the Hold Howard one. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. More Christmas. These are reproduction. I tell you, the reproduction elves these days, it's getting harder and harder to tell them apart from the original ones. Awesome popcorn pumpkin, Fenton Bears, birthday month. Not a big fan of the clear ones though. Some birds. That's cute. Super fragile. All kinds of deer. Oh, that one's as is. Let's see. Well, hello. I just turned around and this is happening. $2 sold. $2 sold. This is easy. What's going on with these little guys? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. The little paper tree. Trying to speed it up but not miss anything. For the little choir boy bell, that's only $1. Sure, why not? What's this Santa? Even flow. Santa baby bottle. That's so cute. $3. And $8 on the nesting dolls. That's kind of awesome. I think I'm gonna take both of these. Cranberry coin dot, one of my favorites. It just sold my cranberry coin dot vase. This is really pretty too. What's going on with the moon and stars? So heavy, but it's $12. That seems cheap. What's going on over there? I'm trying to see from afar. Dude, check out this planter. That's kind of fantastic. $10. Dolly Dingle. Or Dolly Dimple. Dolly Dingle, Billy Bump. $15 seems cheap. I'm always on the fence about those. It's not really my thing. I always see them like for crazy expensive prices. All right, I have like less than 10 minutes. I really need to pick up my pace here. This is kind of fun. It's like a relaxed speed shopping because I'm the only one here. So much FOMO happening here. The table looks like cleaned out. People probably got the good stuff off of it during the weekend. Oh my gosh, look at this funny little monkey. That's amazing. I am so excited for Christmas stuff to come out. Look at this goat. It's not a goat, it's a ram. I can never understand the difference. I always ask Alex, I'm like, is this the same thing? All right, now this is what I'm talking about. Hand-painted owl mirror. That's freaking rad. Nesting Christmas tree, so cute. I already got the pair of Halloween trinket discs. $6 and 20% off. They're contemporary, but they're so fun. Is that a crack on the cat? Yeah, the cat's cracked. Otherwise, I would totally get those. And this one has a repair, just so you know. I didn't ignore it at that price. Overwhelming. Let's see. Hand-blown green creamer pitcher. That's kind of nice. $9 and 20%. Sure, I'll take that. Switch it up a little bit. What about this blue one? That's really pretty too. 15. Interesting. Oh, what a great candy jar. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. The tag's stuck under it. 25. That's still a really good price. It comes to like 20 after the discount. I'm being a little stingy today. I also have Petite Palooza coming up in November. This little ceramic toilet is hilarious, made in Japan. Little dollhouse dollhouse lamp. That's sweet. Ah, I need to hurry. Look at this. Miniature pink butter dish. Oh, this would be perfect for Petite Palooza. Miniature pink depression glass. Oh, that is so cute. I'm gonna look that up right quick before I skedaddle. And off in this booth too, the hobbyist cat. That's a really pretty Fenton bell. What? $12. I don't like those thingamajiggers coming out the sides. Hazel Atlas. Ah, oh my gosh. Feet. Anybody need some feet? These are fun and Christmassy. Oh, look at this guy. Love the pancreas mug. It's got little Nick. Oh, he's so fun. I'll probably just keep that and I don't need another mug. A Christmas pig. He's fun. Japan. Is that Japan? Yeah. Alright, I need to speed up. One last booth I want to get to before I check out. It's so nice of them to not kick me out of here. I would kick me out in a heartbeat. I'd be like, girl, do you know what time it is? What? I would totally love to buy and sell that, but I'm scared to handle it because I'm not as dainty as I should be. I think I'm gonna pick up some of that miniature pink depression glass for Petite Palooza. I looked at these. One of them has a repair. Otherwise, I would totally grab them. Love the Hagen Renegar. Last but not least, I'm very distracted. There's a lot to be distracted by. That's really pretty. Love that color. The monkeys, oh my gosh, these are so funny. Running back to check out. Almost missed this guy. Japan, $9.50. He's fantastic. He's like in pristine condition. He's got like one little spot of flocking missing right there, but that's it. Oh, just kidding. He's got like a little spot of glue. Still, oh, so tempting. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. For that price, it's gotta be perfect. Someone's gonna be like, why didn't you get that? And I'm gonna be like, because I'm totally crazed right now. And no other reason. I hate that I do this to myself. All right, this is so cute. This was $12 after the discount. That one's like $9. I think this is really fun for Petite Palooza, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. And success. I spent $89 in there. I barely remember half the stuff I bought. I really like that little miniature pink depression glass set. That's for Petite Palooza. I think that's November 5th. It's a Sunday. My time slot's at 8 p.m. Eastern. So I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.